It's a preliminary look at our new booth for the 2010-2011 Cycle World International Motorcycle Show booth. Some stuff you may have seen, and some stuff you may have not. GV Airflow, the new S950 GPS holder, the new T480 Easy Lock tank bag, trolley bag, T482, accessorize and customize to make them look just the way you want them.
Man, I got to get the bigger ones, the longer ones.
Thank you to Action Kawasaki Suzuki of Mesquite for loaning us a bike. Hope to see you here.